Good evening. Oh, good afternoon, guys. How are you? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great, man. Not man. What's really happening, guys? Yeah, let me down. Then I can focus. Yeah, what's really happening, guys? I hope everyone is doing great. Let me remove this camera. You don't really want to see me, guys. You need to see or watch the market. We left with 11 minutes before the market opens. We actually have an order. We have an order on US30, another order on Nasdaq, and on Nasdaq I'm expecting to see a nice buy. So I'm expecting, let me see, I'm expecting you to let me know which pairs do you want me to check. Plus, just give me 5. If maybe you are here, you're happy, everything's fine, just let me know who is here. So yeah, we can just enjoy our stream. So on Nasdaq, on my side, I'm still expecting to see a nice bullish move. Nvidia earnings were great, so I'm expecting to see some very nice bullish structures. But at the moment, the market is not really open. Maybe we might have a smaller reversal before we see a very nice push to the upside. Before I see the real dawn GBPUSD current price. Okay, I will definitely check that. So on Nasdaq, I'm expecting to see the market going up. Yes, the market is already a little bit higher, but a nice push, I think it's still going to be there. So let's see. GBPUSD, what's really happening on GBP? So on GBP, it seems like the market is trying to go even higher. So what I can say here, I can say the market is quite closer to the resistance area. So which means above this area is going to be a very, very, very nice buy. I'm expecting to have a nice buy above this area. That can be a very, very good trade because we are now on this nice uptrend. So this shows that the dollar is losing that momentum. So that is going to be a very nice buy. So let's see. Something like this. Only if the market breaks out. Only if the market breaks out on GBPUSD, that can be a very, very, very good buy structure. Or I think a notification can also work because I don't really want to miss that. I want to send this to my students. So correct me if I'm wrong. The 230 news did not do much to the market. Correct. Jobless or unemployment claims. If you checked that, the numbers were not really crazy. So the difference, I think, is 5K or something like that. It's not really that much. Plus, actually, jobless claims, they're not really that important. But just now, just because the economies are not performing very well, it's when that we start to give them attention. But before, we never gave them any attention and they never moved the market. You see. So on GBPUSD, I'm expecting a very nice buy. I think the market will end up going up. So let's go on DXY dollar index. This actually shows us the strength of the dollar. We can easily see that those news, they did not really do much here. You can see here that we have a dollar. At the same time, the dollar was just respecting the resistance. It seems to be going down, and it seems like nothing happened. So you can easily see that the market did not really care much about that jobless claims or unemployment claims. But here, the structure is quite straightforward. We can see that the market was going up very nice. The market just broke out. So now we expect to see a proper sell. And that sell, obviously, that sell will actually make other pairs to gain the momentum. But besides that, we are on a downtrend. The market was retesting. But do you see something? I feel like I see something like that. Do you see that? I see something like that. So if the market breaks here, We will be ready. We will be ready. Maybe even gold will be trying to recover. You see. So sorry for the stupid question. I'm new to your channel, loving it, very informative. Man, that is a good question. There is nothing like stupid questions. We start from somewhere, and I'm also learning also, you see. So we both learning. There's no that thing that, oh, I know. There is no Mr. Know It All. We keep learning. And plus, by meeting people who ask questions, that it's a good thing for me to grow. And let's say not for me, for both of us. Even though maybe some of the questions, there might be, as long as they are about the market, that is fine. That's fine. We start somewhere. And I don't think there is a journey worth talking about if maybe things started smooth. You see, it has to be rough, and along the way, it's where things they will start to happen. So AUDJPY, I will check that. Thank you for your time and knowledge. May I ask you if you are more of a swing or day trader? Yes, actually, I'm a day trader slash day trader. Let me say daily and slash swing. But that swing, maybe I can say it in a different way, not exactly the swing that you know, because on my side swing, it's like holding trade maybe 3 days, 4 days, and a week maybe. But on a swing, actual swing, it's where maybe you can hold trades for more than a week or maybe more than a month. So I don't really hold trades that longer. I can hold for 5 days, 7 days, but not the whole month. So we can say I'm a day trader. And slash, I like scalping. When things are green with my strategy, then I can scalp here and there. So I think that helps. AUDJPY, let's check AUDJPY. We left with 5 minutes before the market open. AUDJPY, what's really happening? JPY, it's losing some momentum, guys. So it seems like every pair that is going with the dollar, sorry, with the JPY, it's performing very well. But it's not like they're performing very well. It's because JPY is quite weak. So JPY is just quite weak. I don't know if maybe, but guys, you don't really want to see me. It's just I want to have a clean chart here. So here's what we have. We have this aggressive bullish move. Let's see if maybe we can have a counter trend line that continues with this trend. I think we're still going to see some very nice bullish structures here. But be extra careful, because if JPY, they are going to report anything that is quite important, we will see some serious reversals. Do you see this type of reversals here? But at the moment, we can say, yes, the market is still actually trying to go even higher. That's what I see at the moment. But where we are, if maybe you wanted to buy, you can wait for the market to break that area before we jump even higher. Or maybe the market will reverse. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Please, guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and a like. You can just smash that like. So it seems like Nasdaq is going a little bit lower. So on gold, we can easily see that gold yesterday it was selling, but we now see that DXY or dollar, it's losing some momentum. So we can see that we had a proper buy. So where we are, we can say the market broke out around this level. So it's up to the market if maybe it wants to retest here, play around, or maybe the market will be breaking this support. And if it breaks, if the market breaks out of this support, I will be expecting to see a continuation of that downtrend structure, because it shows that we have been buying for quite some time. Obviously, maybe a nice reversal, it's actually good. You see, I think, yes, there is still a room for the market to go, for gold to go up. But at the moment, the structure it's showing us that we have a breakout, and maybe we should be looking for a different structure. But at the moment, I feel like everything is quite straightforward. We might expect to see something like that. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Let's push to the next one. So I just want to see what's really happening on Nasdaq. It seems like it's reversing, but I'm expecting to see a continuation of that buy, especially when the market opens. So this is S&P 500. So you can easily see that, yeah, the market already, we are inside, we are already in a very nice bullish structure. We were in a smaller profit, but it seems like now the market is trying to reverse. I'm expecting to see a very nice push. Nvidia, yesterday, they did actually release or report some very good earnings. So I'm expecting to see a nice bounce. Yes, we did not really have any aggressive bounce back there. I'm still expecting a very nice push to the upside, but we left with, seconds. We left with seconds. So you can see even go Nasdaq here. On Nasdaq, it's much better because we had this nice push after the market close. So now I'm still expecting to see maybe a nice push. A reversal, it's possible. The market can also give us some smaller reversal, but I think going further to tomorrow, next week, I think we will see a very nice push to the upside. So I'm still bullish also on Nasdaq. We will see. The market is just opening now. We will see what will happen. US30, I also have some US30 trades. So you can see it's playing around, but I like this structure. It's starting to make sense now. We are around the support area. So the question is, will the market continue? I expect the market to do that, where the market already opened. So we'll see if maybe that will be happening. If not, it means we will see the market starting to sell, and that is not going to be good, right? So we have some trades on US30 and Nasdaq, and it seems like the market just opened. We will see if maybe that sell continues. We will see if that sell continues. On Nasdaq, we also see that the market is reversing, but on US30 seems to be aggressive. So let's wait. Let's go on a 1 hour here. Or let's start with DXY. DXY is still going down, but I think we have to mark this area. Seems like the market is respecting. You see that after we break that, we will say things are starting to go down. The gold seems to be trying to reverse also, but it might be an effect of the market open. It might be the effect of the market open. So yeah, we will wait and see. I'm expecting to see the market trying to go up again. I'm expecting to see a very nice push. So yeah, let's see. Nasdaq is still reversing. So yeah, we can just wait here because we have some orders. So if it starts to go up, I'm expecting to see some very nice bullish moves. I'm expecting some serious bullish moves. But it's like US30 is not buying the story of Nvidia. So we will see. We will see if maybe that sell can last longer. Let's wait and see. So let's wait and see. Maybe if it can be aggressive on this reversal, this might be the area that maybe it might find a nice retest before going up. If maybe it doesn't really respect this area. So that will be a zone that I think the market can touch. But let's just wait. It's possible that the market can just continue. But it seems like the market will be trying to retest. So let's wait. Because we had an aggressive push. So maybe the market wants to test here before going up. But at the moment, let's wait and see. Maybe that will be continuing. Maybe the market will be trying to go even higher. Let's wait and see. I even forgot to check if everything is clear. Let me test this. Yeah, US30 is melting. US30 is going down. Nasdaq is also trying to go down. Let's hope for a reversal. But even though it doesn't really show much of a reversal, remember we just have 4 minutes in this. So maybe we will have a proper reversal. Let's see US30. Yeah, US30, it's melting, guys. US30 is doing some stuff. Some stuff that we don't really like. But a reversal here can be a very nice trade. If maybe the market can respect this area, we might see a very nice reversal. But it seems like not today. It seems like the market wants to go even lower. It seems like the market wants to sell. Seems like the market just wants to sell. No, we out we out from US30 is taking us out. Let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq is still actually up. S&P is also very high also. S&P is also reversing. Whoa. This reversal is crazy. No, US30 is going down, guys. US30 is going down. Actually, I'm already out because it touched the stop loss. So, which means I don't really have to fight it. But there is a chance because the way I see NFP, or let's just go on DXY. I just want to see what's really happening. So DXY is not really acting that much. So this might be a sign that there is still a room for USD to reverse because it's not like the dollar is stronger. The dollar is not really strong. The dollar is even respected our previous retest. You can see the retest here. So that means it's not really about the dollar. So we will see. If maybe we see a nice breakout here, we might have a very nice buy. But we just need to wait. Let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see if maybe we're gonna have something. So it's not actually about the dollar, it's just the problems with US30. Maybe companies in US30 are not performing very well. Because even gold is been selling, but now at least it seems like there is a hope. The market is trying to reverse here and there. And we will see, we will see, we will see. And the worst thing here is this reversal, if it is going to reverse, it can actually go crazy. It can go to a point where it can touch even our TP, but we can't hold longer. If maybe the market is crossing our support area, we don't really have to fight it, because what if it continues? Yes, somewhere maybe you can adjust, but you can't just hold it when it's still going down. So that is not going to be a very good idea. It's going to be a very bad one. But it's trying to reverse here and there, but we will see if it will still go to the upside. Let me remove that. It's no longer there. So this is clear that the market is trying to break out. That is clear. So we will see if maybe it will continue like that or not. So let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq, you can see Nasdaq is also reversing. On Nasdaq, I feel like this might touch our previous resistance before maybe we see a nice push to the upside. Maybe that it's what the market is trying to do. Then let's see. Let's go back on our 4 hours time frame. Nasdaq, it's melting. Nasdaq, it's melting, but not really that aggressive. Not really that aggressive. I'm just surprised with US30, because yesterday we did not really have enough bullish move on US30. Okay, let's see. Gold is still performing bad, but not really that bad. I think on gold, guys, I think we can confirm that gold, it seems to be trying to continue with this downtrend. But to continue selling, the market has to give us something. So this is the breakout area. That is also a very good area where we can use as our breakout structure. So something like this can happen. Before we go down, the market might come here and retest before we see that aggressive sell. That's what I see. So, or maybe the market can break this support area, then before we say things might change. But at the moment, nope. We can't just jump on that sell. DXY not doing much. DXY not doing much. Sam Holding, how are you, my brother? I hope you are doing great. The market is punching us here. The market is just punching us in the face. The market is doing its thing. The market is doing its thing. This thing trying to reverse, or it's me? But if it's reversing, it has to be on top of this area. Then we can start to talk. Now, hey, we just need to wait and see. Seems to be going up again, but we just need to see a proper reversal before we think about buying again. Nasdaq, it seems to be, trying to go back. But on Nasdaq, in the long run, I'm expecting a proper bullish move. Nvidia performed very well. I think people are just taking their profits. They are selling their profits. Then after that, we might see the market trying to go even higher. You see. Do you offer Rich Ellis? Yes, I do offer some training. My mentorship is actually $350 or $350. So for 6 months. Oh, this thing is selling. Or maybe if you want my signals, you can just check there. You can pause on the screen there. You can pause, then you can talk to me there. You see that? So yeah, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Nasdaq is doing its thing. It's melting. Actually, we did have some very nice trades, but it seems like the market is ready to take that out. It's like the market wants to take every profit that we make. So yeah, not really a good day. I was expecting some very nice push to the upside, but the market is just playing games with us. This is not really good. But maybe later on we might have a very nice bullish structures. So, or maybe around 4 or 5. So you can see that it's starting to reverse again. So that is not really nice. That is not really nice. Okay. You're selling US30. Okay. Maybe that is a good idea. But at the moment, I can't just jump on that. I can't just jump on US30. Maybe I can rather wait for proper structures to nice retest and stuff like that. I'm not saying that it's not on a sell. The market already closed. Sorry, the market did not really close. The market shows us that it might break out. Already it's a breakout, but you can wait maybe for the market to close, maybe before you jump on that, because we don't really have enough of the bad news at the moment. Even though yesterday we had some FOMC meetings, but they never said anything that is quite bad. You see that? Even though, yes, we see some serious meltdown on the market, but there was nothing aggressive about those news, you see. Unless if maybe it's reacting to what we just saw, jobless claims which were positive. If maybe it's that, I can say, okay, maybe that is the reason. But besides that, we don't really have anything that is quite negative in the market. Actually, everything is positive because we're expecting FOMC to cut the rates. So that is on the table at the moment, even though they did not really finalize that. But there is a chance that they might cut the rates. Check. The other thing is tensions in the Middle East. Even though some of the things they just go up and down, they were trying to cool off. That was good, and you can see that actually on the dollar. On the dollar index, I don't think maybe it's melting or going up aggressively like that. So maybe there are just people who are just selling their profits, and then that pushes the market to go higher. So now this is what we see, and it's very quick. So just look at DXY. It's going up aggressively. Maybe this is the reason. And this area is where the market was retesting. If maybe we see a breakout, it will be a different story, because it means it might start to continue going up. But if maybe we find a nice respect, if the market can respect this and go down again, you see that area where I said maybe the market needs to break out before we start thinking about some proper sell. The market respected that area. Do you see this area? So I was expecting the market to break out of that. Then we were going to say it's time for us to look for a proper sell. But it seems like DXY is still on that bullish structure. But where we are, we can't just say it's a bullish. We are on a downtrend structure, and the market is trying to retest. So this is just a nice reversal, quite similar to this area. Maybe here, if it breaks, it's going to be a different story. Because what we have, it's something like this. We're supposed to have something like that, even though we're not supposed to draw inside those trends. But we can easily see that this area makes sense if we connect that. So it gives us that downtrend vibes. Do you see that? So we're supposed to have something like that. Unless if maybe the market is just here to retest before we see a nice sell. If that doesn't really happen, yeah, it means it's going to be a different story for us. So it's not going to be good. It means we're going to take those losses, even though we don't really like it, right? So, but it's better than losing everything. We can just take whatever that is ours and get out. Then we will see what will happen next. So I think even gold, it's also selling again. Even gold, it's also giving us those sell vibes. You see that? But it's happening very quick. You see that? So whoever who is selling, obviously, US30, they might be obviously making something. So now I think that can be a very, very, very good idea for anyone who maybe wants to sell below that area, because it shows that gold now is breaking our support area, which means it wants to continue with that downtrend structure. That can be an obvious reason. You see that? I think that it's obvious. The dollar is gaining some momentum. So that is good for the dollar and it's bad for gold. So something like that. So on US30, whoa, we can still see that this thing is still melting like serious. So even this one here, we don't really have to do that. We don't really have to stretch that. We already have a very nice structure. So which means, yeah, we are down for that sell. We are on a downtrend. So it's like everything is now giving us those sell vibes. So yeah, we actually losing. I already closed this one here. So maybe we can catch a reversal. Whoa. Nasdaq also took us out. Let's close that. It was a very good day for us, but it turned out to be a very, very bad one. But that's how the market moves. DXY, are we breaking? If it doesn't really break this area, it means we might start to see some reversals here and there. If we don't really get that. But it seems like we might have that reversal. I mean, we might have that breakout. Oh, JPY. You still eating on JPY? On Euro JPY. Okay, that's great, man. Let's see. Oh, you're still holding this trade because it's been flying for quite some time. That's great for you, man. That's really great. So, yeah. We did smash that, but now, hey, seems like the market wants to take everything that we made. So, but it's better to stay out and be safe. It's better to stay out and be safe. It's better to stay out and be safe. So there's no point trying to fight the market. So I think Nasdaq might reach this level and bounce back. Or maybe, let's see S&P. S&P just broke out of that. It's fine. It means This is going to be here, but it's fine now. Let's see. Maybe it will be touching this support area before bouncing back. See. Now, US30 is the number one seller. I think this is quite similar to gold, what gold did yesterday. There's something not actually good in the market. Unfortunately, we don't really know what is it, but something's not really good. I think DXY is breaking out. DXY, it seems to be trying to break out. Not yet, but it seems like it's going there. Let's see what's happening with gold. Gold seems to be trying to reverse. But yeah, we are still on that sell. So on gold, to me, it's just concluded. We concluded this yesterday. We are on a downtrend structure. So we left with 5 minutes for this candlestick to close. So we'll wait and see if maybe we are still going to go even lower. And I don't think we have any economic news at the moment. Let me check. We don't really have anything. Oh, flash PMI, manufacturing PMI just went up. That's why we see the reversal. I did not really see that. And it's actually 10 minutes ago. Oh. Okay. Flash PMI. Okay, busted. Yeah, we had flash PMI, which was actually positive. It's actually, let me show you this. I forgot that we had something. Flash manufacturing PMI and flash service PMI. We can see that they did, both of them, they did actually beat the estimation. Plus, on top of that, unemployment claims or jobless claims, the numbers went a little bit lower, which is actually great for the dollar. And obviously, the dollar has to gain the momentum. So USD has to gain something from this economic news. Okay. Yeah, that's not good for us. That's not really good. That it's not really good, guys. The only one that, the only pair that I think is gonna maybe give us something, it might be Nasdaq. Nasdaq might actually reverse. Nasdaq might actually reverse. Yeah, that PMI just messed my NAS trade. Ish, man. I was also eating. How are you, man? I hope you're doing great. I hope you are doing great. That jobless claim and PMI just messed everything, man. We were just going to see the market flying, but everything is just reversing. Everything is just reversing, but we'll bounce back. Don't worry, guys. We will just actually bounce back. It's just that it's not really good. Just to see your profit going down until it goes to zero, then you just have to get out. You see, and what we know is it's just that sometimes the market can act like this. All these service PMIs or PMIs, they're not really that important that much. Sometimes the market will act like they are very important. I don't know why, because around other times the market won't even move. Whether they are positive or negative, sometimes the market will just ignore them and continue with a different direction. Maybe I can't say that is the factor, obviously, at the moment, but I think the market just wanted to reverse before we see some nice moves. Because if we check DXY, it seems like it will be struggling to break out of these areas. It seems to be going to struggle to break out of this. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. It seems like it will struggle to break out here. So we will see. Let's wait and see if maybe the market will be closing. The candlestick will be closing at the moment. So we will see if maybe we will get a nice reversal or not. But yes, so we were in a very nice trade, man. Yesterday and today, gold actually smashed us. Today, it's S&P, it's US30, it's Nasdaq. So today, it's not actually a nice one. But we know we always smash it, guys. It's not like maybe it's a bigger of a problem. So your gold, it's reversing aggressively. Gold, it's reversing. So maybe we will see all these things start to reverse. I want them to reverse because even DXY, it's reversing very quick. Okay, just look at DXY. I want it to break. I want it to break this yellow line. Do you see that smaller support there? Let me remove US oil here. I think it's missing my... Let me put it there. Okay. DXY on trying to go down, which is going to be good if it continues like that. Because remember, this is our resistance. So if it continues going down, it's going to be fine. But I want it to break here because that will also maybe have a nice influence on US30 and Nasdaq. Because this is going to take our spotlight on NVIDIA, guys. You know we have NVIDIA earnings. We had NVIDIA earnings yesterday, which were very nice. So I thought maybe today it was going to be a very nice eating. But these things are just taking everything out. I see blue light. Yeah, it also messed up my Euro USD and USD Canada. I was eating, but likely I had trailed SL. Oh, that's great. I was break even and USD. And you know, the worst thing about this is the market might go back again. So that's the worst thing. Just look here on gold. We did not really take any sell, obviously. So I was just saying this might be a nice sell because the market is going down. So gold is the one that is reversing very quick. So we don't know if maybe later on it will continue, but that reversal here, you can see that it did not really mean much on gold. So US30 is still continuing. It seems like it will end up continuing. I thought maybe we will also get the reversal here. Nasdaq also the same. I don't really see any reversal. So yeah, today it's not really that day that we were expecting. It's not really that day. Yeah, this thing's still continuing, guys. US30 seems to be going to continue. Just us. Nasdaq, we just made something yesterday, man. Nasdaq, the numbers were good, but now it seems like we're gonna have that reversal. But it's fine, guys. So when we enjoy all this eating every time, there will be some days where things don't go our way. So that is part of the game. Even though maybe sometimes we say, no, it's not supposed to be 1, 2, 3. But that's how the market sometimes move. And we just have to make peace with that. We just have to make peace with it and just relax. Oh, this gold is still going down again. I thought maybe it was reversing. It reversed and it's now going down again. So yeah, not really good. Not really good. Oh, it's because this DXY, it's reversing again. Again, guys. Just no, let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. At the moment, the market just smashed us, so we can just relax and see what's really happening. And maybe something will happen. Maybe something will happen, but at the moment, no. At the moment, as nothing is happening. At the moment, nothing is happening. So maybe they will reverse. If they reverse, is good, but what can we do? Nothing. We just have to wait and relax. If the market reverses, it's up to the market. So as long as we can bounce back tomorrow, that's a good idea. Maybe tomorrow the market will be bouncing back. So at the moment, it looks like it is not that day. Yeah, that PMI, it's not really good, man. It's like not actually good at all. Yeah, but it's part of the game. You are not alone. You are not alone. Unfortunately, unfortunately, we're losing, but you are not alone, my brother. So maybe later on we will eat or something. Maybe something will happen. Maybe something will happen. Let's hope that maybe something good will happen. Let's expect something nice. Maybe all these markets will try to reverse. So yeah, guys, let me just take a call. Okay. Let's come back stronger. Yeah, we will come back stronger. Nasdaq will sell today and buy tomorrow. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. It's possible that we might have some aggressive sells, and maybe tomorrow things will be trying to go back. So let's see. Gold trying to reverse. Nasdaq try US30 around the same level, but it seems like maybe maybe it will continue to reverse. Let's not really entertain that. But Nasdaq, I think it touched the hour area where it broke out yesterday. Maybe we will see a continuation of that. And let's see. US30 is playing with us. It's going up and down. So DXY seems to be respecting this area. And if it goes down, this will be good for the dollar, US30, and the other ones. But if it breaks, it means gold, Nasdaq, US30, they will continue maybe trying to sell, and that is it's not gonna be good for us, not at all. Okay, let's see. Nasdaq's trying to reverse aggressively. That can be good for people who will be buying. Yeah, but these are the stuff that happens behind the scene, guys. So it doesn't really happen. We don't really have to be here eating. So even when the market is punching someone, it has to be here. So you can easily see that it's not an easy game. We actually take some losses. We actually go through some emotions. Just imagine, they're not gonna sleep very well. Just imagine once you're lost, you can't even sleep. Sometimes, if you just lost everything, it's possible. So that's a pain, and we need to go through that. And if you can go through that, I don't think maybe there is anything that can actually stand in your way in anything that you will try to do. Actually, I think it's a process that I don't really understand. You grow. You can be like a 40-year-old man with this type of emotions while you are still 20. You see, you grow very, very quick. But yeah, it's not really a nice game. So people, when we eat, they'll say, oh, this guy's 1, 2, 3. Hey, this is a painful game. But it seems like this market will end up reversing. If it reverses, that will welcome that. We will see what will happen next. But at the moment, yeah, this was not really a nice one. The market did punch us. And yeah, I can't say I accept that, but that's part of the game. That's how things are supposed to be in the market. And if maybe it continues, maybe tomorrow we'll have some very nice buy, or maybe even today. But at the moment, not really good at all. So guys, I hope maybe for today, because I can't actually give anyone any signal at the moment, things were not actually in our favor. The best thing is to stay out of the market, do something, and maybe tomorrow it will be a better one. Then we will see what will happen after that. Maybe the market will be going in a nice direction that we can use maybe to take advantage of that. Maybe we'll buy, or maybe we will sell, you see. But at the moment, I feel like for today, it's enough, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Tomorrow is still another day. Service, my services for those who wants to be part of my team. We have those signals there. You can come, we can eat together, and if we lose, we can also lose together. But just know that our wins are more than our losses. So Nasdaq is trying to reverse, very nice. US30 still playing games, but it's still trying to reverse also. And yeah, that it's up to the market. If maybe we will see that reversal. So DXY shows us some smaller reversal there. We need bigger reversal before we can actually try to celebrate. So it seems like the market will be respecting this area. And if that is going to happen, maybe until tomorrow, maybe the market will continue buying on Nasdaq and whatever. So maybe this thing will continue selling. Let's hope that happens. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. I will see you on the next one. Best signals to give your client so the recover is to come on slash. We don't fight the market, by the way. We don't fight the market. If maybe we lost, we don't have to rush going back on the market. Already emotionally, you are already ahead. You see, emotionally, you're already ahead. So just relax. If maybe you will be bouncing back tomorrow, there's still another day. You don't really have to go back and recover today. That's the problem, because when people lost now, they want to recover that immediately. And at that time, you are actually in this emotions. So, hi Chen, how are you, man? I hope you're doing great. That's crazy. Did you see NAS open dropped? Yeah, I saw that, and it actually took us out, but it seems to be trying to reverse. And if it reverses, that will be good. But at the moment, it's just time for us to get out. Maybe tomorrow we will be bouncing back. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. I will see you on the next one. Bye.